Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get VLC Media Player. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate directly to the official Video LAN website, which is videolan.org. This ensures you download the legitimate and secure version of the software. Once there, locate the prominent Download VLC button. Click it, and the website will automatically detect your operating system, offering the appropriate installer for Windows. The download should begin shortly, usually taking less than 1 minute on a decent internet connection. Once the download is complete, locate the installer file, usually in your Downloads folder. Double-click it to start the installation process. You might be prompted to allow the app to make changes to your device. Click Yes. Select your preferred language, then click Next through the initial setup wizard. Accept the license agreement, and for most users, the default installation options are perfectly fine. The installation typically takes less than 30 seconds to complete. After installation, you can launch VLC Media Player from the new desktop shortcut or by finding it in your Start menu. The first time you open it, you might see a privacy and network access policy. You can choose to allow or disallow network access for metadata. To play a file, simply drag and drop your video or audio file directly into the VLC window. You'll find intuitive controls for playback volume and full screen viewing at the bottom of the player interface. VLC is more than just a simple player, it's a versatile tool. You can stream online videos or listen to podcasts by going to Media, then Open Network Stream. For a personalized look, explore the Tools menu, then Preferences, and finally Interface to change skins. VLC also offers powerful conversion capabilities. Under the Media menu, select Convert/Save to transform your files into different formats, supporting hundreds of codecs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.